Yeah, greetings all. This is Obi-Wan speaking, your finance coach. The fourth company in my list that I told you we were looking at, fourth company. I'm giving you three companies. Now, if you've been following my videos, now for the month of July, the fourth company you should look at investing next 6 months, 1 year, 2, 3 years, 4 years is Champions Breweries PLC. Champions Breweries PLC. Okay, now I chose this company. Why? There's a reason. I checked Nigerian breweries. I checked Guinness Nigerian PLC. I checked some companies in those sectors. Out of all what I checked, this is the only one that have a great fundamental in terms of great financial. I don't understand what I mean by great, excellent, weak, fair. Okay, the only one, this one has a great financial. So this company, Champions Breweries, the cheapest of all the companies I check is the penny stock. Very cheap, but very huge potential. It's also, it's also run, I think the Akwa state government also is part of the controllers of this company. So it's a regional company. You won't see their product all over Nigeria, but it's at basically the south area, Akwa Ibom, Calabar, and the likes. Okay, so it's a company that you should consider investing in. They have Champion Champion Lager beer with ginger extract, Champion malt, Champ malt with butter cookies flavor, Champ malt with tiger nuts. So they are in this particular sector. They have different products. Okay, yes. So looking at their product line is diversified in a way. At least in that product line, they have different brands. Okay, and they are in the news for good reasons. So this is the fourth company, cheap company, affordable. Of course, all these penny stocks, they are highly risky, but this one looks promising. Now let me show you the fundamental as usual. I told you it has great company's health. The company's health is great. See, I told you, great. Technical, strong buy. Okay, sentiment not supported. Upside, it has upside of 5%. Okay, so the fundamental, the company's health is great. After excellence is great. And I told you that the minimum which I recommend to my audience is great. Any company less than great, I really don't, not that they cannot do well, but I'll wait till they get to great level before I think of investing in them, because I can be sure that yes, this is my criteria. At least you must get to great financial, you must be great minimum before I can consider you as investing in you. Okay, except in very exceptional cases, very exceptional, but ordinarily the fundamental is very important to me. So look at their financials. Let me show you their financials. Champion Breweries financials. You see what's happened to the financial. You see that their turnover has been on the increase. Their turnover has been on the increase from 6 billion to about 19 billion. You see, their turnover has been on the what? Increase. Their net profit has been on the increase. It's not a big company like that, but they've been on the increase. Their cash flow, their net cash flow has been on the increase from 506 million to 1.8 billion. And they've been investing to the future. So you see that the turnover is going up from 6 billion to 19 billion. Net income from 168 million to 817 million in terms of net income. So it's not really a big company as that, but the financials are strong. What about investing, even though it's small, ensure that they are having net income, they are paying dividends, they are profitable, their margins are okay, even though they are small. Okay, it's a small company. Let me even show you their market cap. Let me show you their their market cap. And what I'll show you something now. Let it come up. Why I'm rooting for this small brewery company. Okay, so I'll show you something now. This is what I want to show you here. The earning per share growth rate forecasts, this one that you see here, earning per share, 123.2%. That means that they want to double, more than double their earnings in the next 1 or 2 years. So they have a very great future. 122, this is the highest so far I've showed you. Okay, so and the volume for this small company, people are already buying them. 1.18 million. The volume, the people are buying them, but they're not talking. Nobody is saying it. But because you're in this forum, you're in this group, you can also key into it early. Okay, so they have upside potential. So their market cap is 89.84 billion, not up to 100 billion. It's okay. This I say it's a penny stock. It's not like Lafarge, Airtel, MTN with Seplat. All those ones are in trillions of naira. They are billion, but that's potential because look at the growth forecast. The fundamental is also good. They're making profits. Okay. Now let me now look at their return margin. Return on equity 20.4%. Return on capital, return on assets 11.4%. Okay, so their margins also is positive. They have positive margin. Okay, so the fact that they have a strong growth potential means that if you can stay with this company in the future, you will get benefits from it. Now let me look at the second analytical tool I use. Okay, now out of the 12 risk factor, they failed only 2 and they passed 10, just 1 and 2. Okay, just 1 and 2 and they passed the rest. So at 10 over 12 is not bad. I've said it, there's no perfect company, but they should not be too bad. If you see red, fail, you should run away from such company. Okay, so look at their 1 year return, 185%. They've really done well. This company, when it was established, they were established a long time ago, but they started paying dividend last year, 2024, and that's why you will see that. Look at what Gemini said about them. Historical payment of dividend. After 49 years, Champion Brewery announced its first ever dividend payment for 2024 financial year. This is a significant milestone, signaling a strong financial turnaround and commitment to shareholder value. So they just started paying just last year. So if you key in this year, means that you will be part of their future, and they want to maintain it. They want to keep doing well to their shareholder, because what they've started, you'll be expecting from them this year. So be part of it. If you can, some of this share, when you buy, you're looking for them to buy, people will be rushing them. People will be rushing them. They won't say it, everybody just quiet. But you're part of this group, we do research and we'll bring it out to you. Buy and keep. Okay, and their revenue is doing well. People are expecting them to pay dividend again this year, 2025. So they want to expand, they want to raise commercial paper and the like. Okay, so this company is another company that I've checked the financial statements as well. 1974, they've been around for some time. And then Uyo, Akwa Ibom, these are the chairman and the likes. Their auditor is Deloitte and Touch. So this Champion Brewery is another company I want you to consider investing in. Okay. It's a strong buy in terms of the technical analysis and the company's financial health. The company's health is great, okay? And they just started paying dividend. They just started after, so they want to maintain, and they've been in existence for long. So key into this Champion Brewery as early as possible, so that you will be part of the future. Okay, that's it. This is the fourth one, Champion Breweries. Thank you for listening. Emmanuel Malachi is my name. You can call Obi1 and reach me if you want to key into this opportunity on 080-627-855-37. 080-627-855-37. Thank you for listening. Bye for now.